Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign out of Outlook. So for this tutorial don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. So first you need to open your Outlook, then okay, then go to here your profile icon over here and tap on it, and you can see there is your sign out option here, so click on it. Okay, wait for a second. So you can see it's done. Okay, so guys, this is how you can sign out of Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.